Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Google Ads and Analytics are linked. This shares click data so you can attribute calls. Next, verify the phone number is coded as a clickable tell, link or visible text on target pages so dynamic tracking can apply. Once done, enable auto-tagging in Google Ads and create a dedicated conversion action for calls. This tells the platform what success looks like. Make sure billing access and admin rights are available to complete the next steps. You now create a call conversion in Google Ads and choose whether to track calls from ads, calls to a number on your site, or imported call data. If you use Google forwarding numbers, implement the snippet or enable phone swap via Google Tag Manager to dynamically replace your visible number. Once implemented, test end-to-end by clicking an ad, arriving on the landing page, and making a call. This generates a real conversion event. Make sure call duration thresholds match what you consider quality. You finish by reviewing call conversions in Google Ads and Analytics, confirming the attribution model and conversion window align with business needs. Once done, tune call length thresholds and conversion value to avoid false positives, and ensure tags fire on the right pages. If calls aren't showing, use Tag Assistant and your browser console to check for blocked scripts or incorrect selectors. Often the issue is a mismatched phone selector or ad blocking. Make corrections and retest until conversions appear reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.